Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and yeah, the title of my video says it all. Living la vida loca. I've decided to push my main machine to the 17763 update that actually, from what we think, is the official October 2018 update. And there's something very interesting that happens here. Look at that phrase that appeared in my main machine. The next Windows feature update is ready and includes reliability, performance, and security improvements. That's kind of interesting. I've never seen that phrase before, and it is kind of curious that they've actually done this. My computer actually even displayed, oh, there's a very important update that needs to be done on your computer. You're way behind. And of course, Windows Insider Preview build 17763.1 that you see here has been showing up. So I'm kind of curious. With these messages, what it means exactly. It's a very, very intriguing thing. And so, yep, I am updating my main machine. I do not think anybody should do this. It's very simple. I do this for a simple reason that I am the guy on YouTube that tries everything and talks about it. So, I can easily get out of whatever problem I will have if there's something goes wrong. So don't do it. I don't think anybody that's on the main Windows system right now on the April 2018 update should do this. I am taking that chance, and of course I'll be talking about it a little later, letting you know how does it work, how does it feel, and how it goes on my main computer for the 17763, which is possibly the October 2018 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and look for that updated video later today.